Right now we have a chocolate walnut thing, and it smells like chocolate. I know. And it might be my least favorite. I don't know. And next we have a cherry gummy, cherry gummy.
It's plum.
I mean plum gummy.
It's salted plum.
Salted plum
Okay.
gummy. And I know it's going to taste like a gummy and it smells like a salted plum. Now we go to the next one. Do you think it's seaweed? No, it's seaweed, but spicy seaweed. It smells like seaweed. And I think it's gonna be my first one. And this one is a cake, like a bread cake kind of. And it might be my first favorite. That's why I'm gonna try it first. And it smells like a lemon, like a real lemon. And now I'm gonna get started. I didn't taste it. Starting by, this is my first.
That's your favorite?
Yeah, because it has...
What does it taste like?
It tastes like a lemon cake, like a lemon cake. With vanilla added. Yeah. Next we have a spicy thing. I did spicy, that's why. It's not spicy at all.
Okay, you don't have to eat the whole thing. You gotta save room for all the other ones.
And
You like it?
I really like it, but I still think that's in the lead. That's my second favorite. And it tastes like a spicy crab. And now I'm gonna keep going to the next one. Let's spit it out. Where?
To the bowl. What's that one?
So this one is my fourth one. The salt is just gross on it. I wish it was like by itself without the salt. So then it'll taste good. Now I'm going on the next one. And drum roll. This one was in lead. Second, third, fourth. Because this just bounded all the way. Because the chocolate actually added milk. It crunches the milk. And I love that. So that's why this one. Now we're having the dream back there. That's stinky.